Hi and welcome to this quick tour of the ABB Control Systems Technical Partner Portal. This portal is a one-stop shop for everything you need as a channel partner. In these few minutes, we'll get you familiarized with the various support services that are available on this portal. First of all, how do you log into the portal? Simply go to www.abb.com/myabb and enter your login credentials. Once you're on the MyABB homepage, click the Technical Partners link to go to the Technical Partner portal. Then click the Control Systems Technical Partners link. Now that you're on the homepage, let's take a look at what's available. The homepage has three main sections: the top banner ads, a quick link to what's trending on AKS or the Application and Knowledge Store, and the offering section, which is the core component of this portal. You may also notice that there are links on the right hand column that gives you highlights of the portal. Now we'll look at the key offerings on this portal. They include ABB Value Provider Program, Sales and Marketing Support, Technical Support, and Training. Let's look at the Value Provider Program section. The VPP is an ABB-wide global third-party channel program. If you are an ABB authorized value provider or want to become one, this is the place for you. Here, you can read about the benefits of the program, learn how to join the program, find out about ABB's funding for your marketing efforts, and the safety certification process for channel partners. Now let's go back and click on Sales and Marketing Support. This section provides a range of sales and marketing support such as marketing materials for vertical industries and products, options for sharing and finding references and success stories, the Wizard tool for catering your ordering requirements, and documentations and reports on business and competitive intelligence. The Wizard is a proposal and ordering tool designed for making quotations and bids for ABB control systems. It provides you with system layouts, price details, article numbers, and descriptions of the different components of your project. The Wizard lets you configure, quote, and order. Project managers use it to configure the architecture of the system. Sales personnel can make quotations and purchasers can order products. It allows you to automatically create the system architecture, and then if needed, you can manually choose and add different components. It also allows you to export cost calculations to Microsoft Excel, where more advanced calculations may be performed. And finally, it allows you to export reports to Microsoft Word for printing. This feature can be very useful while creating proposals. Now let's look at the Technical Support section. Click on the Technical Support link, and on this page, choose a desired product. In this example, let's choose System 800XA. All technical documentations and support materials related to 800XA are highlighted and categorized here. The documents listed here are only highlights of all the available documents in the Download Center. For a complete list of documents, go to the Download Center using the link on the right side of this page. Now let's take a look at the training options available. At ABB, we offer blended learning solutions to partners. Partners can acquire in-depth knowledge of the products by taking up our basic web-based training. This can be followed by an instructor-led classroom training session that includes lectures, group discussions, and hands-on activities, usually conducted at our ABB universities. Apart from online and classroom training programs, we also offer consulting services, workshops, seminars, and web tech talk recordings. The WebTech Talks feature live and interactive web sessions with specialists from R&D, technical support, and consulting on specific commissioning and engineering topics. However, if you are unable to participate in our live web sessions, you can refer to the archive of the WebTech Talk recordings. Note that only special technical topics are accessible 24/7 via the WebTech Talk recordings. To know more about our technical training, explore this training section. We have now reached the end of this quick tour. Keep visiting the partner portal to get the latest from ABB Control Systems. Thanks for watching.